guys, it is another day here. I just got home from work and wow, my house is starting to look like a house, guys. But I just ran upstairs to grab this camera and I was like, why do my floors look gray? Let me show you why. Well, this is where I just walked. Swiped my finger here. Look at this. I could write in my floors. That's how dusty they are because sheetrock went up today. So it's looking mad dusty because all the, actually let me get my phone back because I'm gonna FaceTime my family so they could see, but the house is looking like a house. But I wanted to show you guys too while it's still some daylight. I gotta vacuum, oh my goodness. And mop too while I'm at it. Wow. I'm just, guys, I'm looking at the floors. Oh my goodness, it is dusty. And they did tell us it's gonna get really dusty when they put up sheetrock. So, my house. Here, I got a bathroom. Okay, it's a bathroom. Here, I got a hallway kind of playroom. We got a closet in here. Then this is just the playroom. So I got some like corners and stuff I could add some stuff into. I could add like a big like play mat here. That'll be good. I was thinking like either a sensory table there, or I was thinking sensory table here somewhere whenever it comes back in stock, you know, from IKEA, because who knows when that will be. I've put myself on the waiting list, but guys, that sensory table from IKEA is popular. Like sold out all the time, popular. Got another closet here. I guess they didn't put anything there yet. Oh, they didn't do it on the other side either, but it's looking like a housey. Then here is my dining room. So we got some sheetrock here, and then my kitchen and my closet filled with a bunch of sheetrock. Thanks, guys. I just, well, like what? I didn't even notice this before when I was just down here looking at it, but that is something. And here is gonna be my laundry closet. So there's that. But guys, it's finally starting to look like something. I'm so excited. Don't know why my camera just would not focus again over there, but oh my goodness! I can't wait. Guys, the walls are up. They gotta paint, they gotta spackle, they gotta do all the things. We still are waiting on the floors to arrive. They are like delayed. Wow. It's looking good. I no longer have like those wooden paneled walls in here with the fireplace. Oh my goodness. I am so excited until this, I can't wait till this is done, guys. I'm hoping it's only gonna be like another couple more weeks. I'm hoping the floors come in fast. Like I really am, because I want to be able to start organizing and cleaning things during my spring break, which is in 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks from today. So I hope they're gonna be done. Fingers crossed. I'm actually gonna text the builder and find out, because I have some questions, and I'm gonna find out maybe like the timeline. Maybe he has a better idea of when the floor is gonna arrive and stuff, and I can't wait. Oh my gosh, so exciting. All right, let me go FaceTime my familia so they could see the updates, but it's looking good. My floors are looking better already. They're not perfect, because you could see here, how do you even clean in between here? It's not like the vacuum gets there, but this is no longer like dusty. The Roborock picks up literally all the little dust particles. I emptied the bin before it started vacuuming, so I cannot wait to see what it looks like when this thing is done. It's looking quite dusty on top there, but my floors are gonna be clean. I'll link this below because you guys know, I mean, you guys only seen it a couple of times, but I always share it in my stories. I love this thing so much. Did I tell you guys we got our new car? So we bought a used car, a 2019 used car, and it drives so smoothly. So I haven't been driving it a lot because obviously, one, I was just in a car accident. Two, it is a much bigger car that I'm not used to it. So I haven't been driving it all week to like the train. Babe has been driving me. But it's the weekend. I took it out today. My mom was here to take me to the doctor's because I refuse to drive that far on roads I do not know with a car I am not familiar with. So my mom drove the 45 minutes here to take me to the doctor, which was really nice of her. So thank you, Mom. Then she took me out to lunch. I went to Tjmaxx, got some pants. Oh, so hold on. She took me out to lunch. We came back home for a little bit. And then I decided I wanted to practice and drive, so I had my mom in the car with me, and I wasn't gonna go onto the main road, but then all of a sudden I was just like, we're gonna try the main road. So I did drive on the main road today, which was awesome that I got to do that. And I wasn't like too terrified to do that. And I drove to Tjmaxx, which is close by. It's not like it was like a far drive, and it's not like around the corner either, but like it was close enough. So I did go to Tjmaxx, and I got some pants. I had been needing some work pants, so I did get some of that, which was cool. And I got like this awesome romper, and I love it. It's like a black romper. It ties in a bow at the front, and then it's got like these cool like sleeves, and it's got like short sleeves, so I could wear it to work too, which was really awesome. My mom has them now. She took them home because she's gonna do my laundry also, because my laundry's not set up here. Obviously I still don't have my kitchen or anything. So my mom took my laundry also because I was doing my laundry at my sister's house and taking my laundry to her house and doing it over the weekends. But since I totaled my car and I'm not driving like that right now, till I get used to this one, my mom took my laundry for me. And we'll go pick it up tomorrow. Baby will drive. And yeah. But anyway, I was so happy. I drove to Tjmaxx on a main road. Coming back home was a little tricky because there was one street where there was cars parked on both sides, and I was going one way and there was cars coming the other way. It was very, 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 very tight. I was panicking. My mom was like, don't worry, you have enough space on this side, blah, blah, blah. But I was freaking out. It was just so tight. Like, I'm in a bigger car. I don't know how much space I have. So I was freaking out a little bit, but I'm still happy I was on a main road. So that's some progress, guys. More than I have done since we got the car. So I'm happy about that. Don't mind the mess on my bed, guys, but I wanted to show you guys some new pants that I got. No, that's not it. Some new pants I got from Tjmaxx, since I told you guys that I got some things. So here is a pair of pants that I picked up. They're so cute. I love like that they're different patterns, like striped this way and then striped this way. They are longer, and they still look really cute. So I could wear these to work, but they also looked really cute with a crop top. So I'm thinking like a colder summer night or something. Like this is gonna be really, really cute. So I did get that. Sorry guys, organizing stuff and just brought home laundry. I got this romper. Oh my god, guys, this was adorable, from Tjmaxx. And the sleeves, look at the sleeves, they're so cute. Like, look at that. They're not like ruffle, but they kind of look like it. And I'm so glad it even has sleeves, because a lot of the rompers I have don't have sleeves and I can't even wear them to work, but this one I can. It's got this little belt thing that ties around the waist into a bow, and it just looks really cute. So that's from Tjmaxx also. Then I also got these pants. These ones are drying. What I'm noticing, it's a lot of Calvin Klein stuff. It wasn't intentional. I was just picking out whatever. They were only like 20 bucks each, including the romper was only 20 bucks. So this one's drying, but I love this pattern on here. So I got those. And then a couple of them I already got for my, picked out for my clothes this week. So I got this pair also, and they're like stretchy, especially in the waist, so I don't gotta worry about buttons or anything. So I got that one. And then there's one more in here. This one, this pattern also. All of the Calvin Klein pants. Oh, and I also got these ones. These ones are so cute, guys. I just showed Babe and he goes, they look like you. Like, this is my style, he was saying. So I don't know what brand this is, but let me try to tell you guys in case you guys are gonna try to find them. So that's what it says. I don't know, not really sure what brand that is, but everything was only like 20 bucks and those are really cute too. So I did get a couple of good things from Tjmaxx. Today I also got rid of a pair of jeans that were too small, and I had to go like one size up that I had in my closet also, and those fit fine, but the 25s don't fit me anymore. So I'm on to 26 now. Gosh, I remember the days that I was wearing a 24, but it's fine. It's probably all that pasta too, but anyway, it's all good. I needed some new clothes. I wanted to show you guys also, but tell me guys, would you guys be interested in seeing like, and I don't know if this should go on my vlog channel or if it should go on my main channel, but a video of like what I wear in a week, like, or 5 days of outfits like for that I wear to work. Like, would that be something you guys are interested in? Because I'm totally okay with filming something like that. Once I get like a big full-size mirror maybe, that would be good. But let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in, like what I wear during the week or like what I wear in a week. I don't know, do people film those? I don't know, but I'd totally be willing to do that. And it also might help me when I'm planning out future outfits, because then I'll have ideas on what I could wear. Anyway guys, I just wanted to come on here, show you guys a couple of new things that I picked up from Tjmaxx. Hope you guys enjoyed this whole video. I gotta end you guys because my battery's about to die. It's blinking red right now. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video, or not crafty video, my next vlog video. Maybe next time it won't be in my closet. But I mean, oh, I should do like a tour of how I set up my closet. Is that something you guys would be interested in? And let me know, is that like a vlog channel video or a main channel video? I don't know guys, but I want to film all the things, so let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!